just washed it. It's water, it's clean, promise. We arrived here a couple of hours ago and it's nice. This is the Segredo Familia, not really sure how to say it, but it's going to be finished in 2028 and it's been built for a long time. Look at all the caterpillars! The cannon. Nice view of Barcelona. There's loads of cats, I love cats so much. It's the Arc de Triomphe. Trees with actual oranges, I don't know if you can see. And there's really loud parrots as well. By Beth, I'm trying to get the most angry goose picture I can get. So let's go. Oh, there's geese over there, there's geese over there. Oh, I don't think that's a goose. Is that a goose? The one over there with the red face. Technical. Oh, there's a goose here, there's a goose here, there's a goose here. Hold on. Bit of an issue, it doesn't look very angry. It's not angry, but then I don't want it to bite. It's quite a nice goose actually, very friendly. Would recommend. So sweet. Aw, little goose. It's Parliament. Nice flowers. I'm going to climb up this fountain which is currently switched off. At the top. I think it's very nice. The beach here and the sea is very nice. So it's really warm. Today I'm wearing shorts because of it. And it's really sunny outside. And it's just very exciting. So I finished yesterday reading All That She Could See by Carrie Hope Fletcher. It's a very good book, I do recommend. Now it's just very warm and it's a very nice day. Very good. I'll show you. So warm. So it's all nice. I wanted to share a little story of what happened last night. So we're going to go swimming in the indoor heated pool and we'd read all the articulates, not articles, because the sign literally looked like it had been translated by Google Translate, because it said like the wee end of the pool, meaning weekend, but they'd written it wrong. So we got there and they were like, oh, do you have flip-flops? And we were like, no. And then they were like, oh well, read articulate. And then they had more articulates in the drawer because the one on the wall they only went from 19 to 26. And then they were like, oh yeah, it says you have to have flip-flops, you can buy some. We got these beautiful objects. And then we realised that it did actually say on the wall, but they had translated it instead of into flip-flops to slippers. And then we got to the indoor heated pool, finally. And then there's all posters on the wall with all the rules like, Silencio, por favor, so you have to be silent in the pool. And then the pool's cold, really cold. And then the jacuzzi turns off every 10 minutes so that you can only be in there for 10 minutes at a time and there's only 4 people allowed in there. Which is very interesting. Because they switch it on and then they switch it off and then they reheat it again. And the pool was very cold and then eventually we left because it was really cold, even though it was an indoor heated pool. So that's a story for you. It's raining! Keeping the vlogs real. Real life this is. It's not all sunshine when you're in here. Sometimes really cold. It sometimes rains and that's okay. It just went in my eye. so I just thought I'd do outfit of the day. So I'm wearing the Dodie 6 out of 10 top, and I've got that, and then I've got these shorts. They're very good. And they're from New Look, but I don't know if they do them anymore. And then I also have these glasses, and I know that I don't fully need these kind of glasses because they're like empty glasses, but I do actually have long-sightedness. And also I bought them for costume because I need to multi-role in all my short films and everything I do because I can never get a cast, which is very sad. Good one, now I'm going to go film a video, so bye! Cathedral. This is the amphitheatre. We're filming this so that we just zoom in and pay this and watch we can zoom in and watch this, but I don't think we're buying tickets to go in, but you can see it from the outside, right? Rainbow stairs. This is Roman theatre. This is Roman theatre. It's Roman theatre. Hello? Oh, mate! Hello? Good cat! Hi! We came around the corner and there's more cats. Oh, it's just so cute. Oh. Hola! It's weird to think about how far the sea actually goes out to, because there's actual like sharks in there with different whales. It's very interesting. My mum thinks this might be sand dunes. Flashbacks to the joys that was the GCSE geography sand dune trip. Woo! Exciting times. There's a cat. I just thought that I'd update you. So we came back from the walk, and what you didn't see was that there was also a man who was like getting all the cats to come to him, and there were like almost 20 cats, or maybe that's an exaggeration, I don't know, but there were so many cats and it was just so exciting. To the swimming place again yesterday, and even the jacuzzi was cold, and the window above the jacuzzi was leaking again, like dripping into the cold water, dripping into the jacuzzi. It's very sad. And it's our last day tomorrow, which is sad. Our last, it's not even a full day, but it's sad that we're leaving. We're going in the lift. We're testing it. No reason. Going to floor 4. It's very high. Oh. It's very nice. Now, time to go back down again. This is the last time we're going to be on the beach before we go back, which is very sad. And hopefully I won't get hit by any pigeons again, because I keep forgetting to tell you, but I got hit by 2 pigeons on this holiday. Like when they fly up, you know when you like run past pigeons and they're like like this, and then they fly up out of the way because they're like, I don't know, scared or whatever. While they were doing that, on 2 different occasions, their wings hit me. And they're very violent, and it's not very nice. And I don't know why this has never happened to me before, and then it suddenly happened to me twice.